Which property are you calling about selling?
105 P. Depends on which one you call me about.
Just to confirm, is the address 105?
So look, man, I got to show y'all this. This is crazy. So I just did a ringless voicemail campaign, right? And the AI just answered the call from the voicemail drop we just did. And right now they're answering the phone live and transferring the call right on the spot. This is crazy. This RVM lead software is changing the game. I'm about to give y'all a little sneak peek of, you know what I'm saying, of a conversation with the AI and the seller. Check this out. So look, check this out. So this is one of the conversations that the AI had with the seller. Let's play it from the beginning.
Have a good day.
Hey, thanks for calling back. I've been reaching out to a few property owners in the area about possibly buying their property. Which property are you calling about selling?
The tungsten property that you called me about.
Thanks for that. Can you please provide the full address of the Thompson property you're referring to? Just want to make sure I have the right one.
25591 Tungsten.
Great, 25591 Tungsten.
What kind is that?
Transferring the call now.
Then it transferred. Now my acquisition about to answer the phone.
Hi, my name is Luis. I'm a real estate investor. How can I help you?
Okay, we're gonna stop it right there, right? You don't got to hear the whole conversation, but you get what I'm saying, right? The AI is answering the phone from the ringless voicemail. So this is the thing, right? So this is why this is a major big deal in a major game changer, right? Is because we didn't have this in the past. I did ringless voicemail 2017, 18, 2019, one of the first people to do it. And I used to send the calls to voicemail because, you know, if you drop in 10,000 drops at once, you can't answer the phone, you know, all at once. You know what I'm saying? You got a few hundred people, sometimes 1,000 people calling back all at once. So I send them the voicemail and I'll go for the low hanging fruit. But I know I'm probably missing a lot of deals by, you know what I'm saying, not having the service like this. So this is a game changer, man. Then another thing is we would drop voicemails and we never knew exactly who was actually calling. So for example, we might drop a voicemail and say, oh, hey, this is Kevin. We just drove past your property. We're interested in buying. Give me a call back. And then they would call back and they'll be like, what property you talking about? Well, the AI is like, yeah, you know what I mean? Let me know what property, you know what I mean, you're looking to sell. We just dropped a voicemail and it gets the seller to open up and give out the address, right? Then it transfer the call. Smooth transition. Like you got to think about also everybody who called back is not necessarily a seller. You know, some of the people are you know, wrong number, not interested. Some people want to cuss at you. Now you got AI handling that as well, all the phone calls. So if you get cussed out, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying, all the wrong numbers, not interested, and they only transfer the call when it's a lead. Come on, man. You show me who doing that. I'll wait. You show me something that can do that. You see what I'm saying? Come on, man. This RVM leads is game changing. You see what I'm saying? You need to sign up ASAP. You know what I mean? If you want to smooth, you know what I'm saying, smoothly automate your business, right? And this is perfect for everybody. Like, it don't really matter if you a experienced investor, newbie. This will help, man, because this is amazing. You know, like I said, it also books appointments as well. With the voicemail drops, we like to just have it transfer the call because it's, you know what I mean, it's hot leads on the spot. So if they want to talk, they want to talk. You know what I mean? But like if they want to talk numbers, they want to talk numbers. But you know, like it books a lot of appointments through like SMS as well too. And I'm gonna show y'all that another day. But yeah, this is game changer, man. Like I I wish I had something like this years ago, but we got it now. You see what I'm saying? So some things just it just take time, you know what I'm saying? So we here, man, with this the future, man. Wham leads. We also got the Wham outbound, the AI outbound callers as well. But the ringless voicemail drop with the AI answer service is next level, man. You understand me? I'm telling you. I'm gonna let y'all hear another one too.
Hey, thanks for calling back. I've been reaching out to a few property owners in the area about possibly buying their property. Which property are you calling about selling?
105P. Depends on which one you call me about.
Just to confirm, is the address 105P? Could you please clarify the full address or street name for me?
You guys call me.
Thanks for letting me know. To make sure we're on the same page, could you please confirm the full address of the property you're interested in selling?
I have 20 properties. I do not know which one you call about.
Got it. Thanks for sharing that. To help us move forward, could you tell me about the condition of the...
Okay, so you see how the AI is like they stern. It's like we need to know the address to this property you're trying to sell. You see what I'm saying? And he said he got 20 properties. So you know what I mean? You gotta hey, that could be a high lead, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like blown away myself because man, this game changer, man. I know anybody who use this feature and use this setup and use it the exact same way that I use it, it's definitely going to get results. So, but that's it. Like and subscribe. Click the link below if you want to book a demo of this. This is a no-brainer. You see what I'm saying? But book a demo. I'll be happy to do a free call with you and show you around and show you how the system works. And yeah, I see you on the other side, man. Peace.